So the basic principle of sprite is in order to display a large number of images, you do not have to fetch each image separately. You can create one large image and fetch it only once and use it anytime you want. This reduces the number of requests on web server. So here we have two images and suppose we want to join them. First we need a way to combine them into one. Create a canvas tag where both images will be drawn. Give it unique ID, width and height. In JavaScript, get an instance of canvas by ID. And get 2D context of this canvas. Create a new image object. The source should be the path of image. And we need to wait till the image fully loaded. Then we will draw that image on canvas using its context. Call drawImage function. Pass the image object and x and y coordinates. And width and height of image. Now you will be able to view the image in canvas. To draw second image, just copy-paste this after the first image. Rename this to image 2. The second image will have margin from left same as with the first image. And change second image's dimensions. Now you will be able to see both images horizontally. Then we can convert that canvas into image by calling toDataURL function. Image type should be PNG. And quality will be 1, which is maximum. Just debug the image to see if it is converting correctly. Copy and paste it in browser. Now we can call an AJAX request to save this data as image file. Method should be post. Then file name. Then asynchronous. And send the image data here. Then check the status of request. Request will be successful when the ready state is 4. And status will be 200. Just print the output from server in console. As the request is post, so we also need to pass a header. Content type. And its value be. Create a new file for saving sprite. Get the image data sent from client. Echo it for testing. You need to call this header function after the AJAX open method. So the data has been received. Now we need to get the part after the space 64, comma. We need to perform 2 steps to do that. First, split the image by semicolon and get the second part. Then split using comma. You can skip the first part if you are sure that there will be no comma before base 64. Now replaces all spaces with plus sign as it is required in post request. Decode the image from base 64. File put contents will create a new file and save the image data in it. So a single combined image is created. Now we need to show you how you can use it. Comment this out. Create a div tag. Give it unique ID. Create CSS selector. Give background image as this sprite image. Background image should not be repeated. Give width and height as per image. Comment this canvas. Similarly for second image. Change ID. Break the line. Create selector for second image, but sprite will remain same. Only width and height will be different. To view the second image, we need to give position to background image. The X margin should be as the width of first image, but in minus because the image should move towards left. And no change in Y-axis. If you reduce the X-axis, you will see that it is the same image loaded only once. Now you can delete the other images and see that it will work. Because now we are reading images from one single sprite, not by calling each image separately. So that's how, instead of sending multiple requests to the server, it just sends one request. If you face any problem, feel free to ask in the comments section below.